Good morning, friends. In this video, we're going to be start a new chapter, which is decimal and fraction. Okay, so what is meant by decimal and fractions? We're going to be learn in these videos. Okay, so some dialogues are given. Okay, so first dialogue is, sir, today I saw MRP of rupees 24.50 printed on a box of medicine. What does it mean? Here you can see it is the ice drop. Okay, and here the rate is given as 24.50. Okay, that's what that students is saying. Teacher, MRP means a maximum retail price. MRP full form is maximum retail price. Just learn this. Okay, it will be useful. The seller can sell that medicine for the maximum of 24 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, so 24 rupees, this is rupees, and this will be 50. After point, this will be 50. Rekha, but how does 24.50 means 24 rupees and 50 paise? Teacher, 24.50 has been written in the decimal form. So this number which is included this point 24.50 is in decimal form. Clear? This number is in decimal form. To understand the answer to our question, we'll be first have to learn about decimal fraction. Okay, so now they have this number is in decimal form, and for understanding this we have to learn first of all decimal fraction. Okay, so we know what is mean by fraction. Fractions mean a number which is in the form of p upon q. Okay, if the number is in this form, like that 1 upon 2, 3 upon 5, okay, so on, 1 upon 10, these are the fractions. Okay, now what is meant by decimal fraction? Now we'll learn about decimal fraction. Okay, so we're not going to be read this. In short, I will going to be explain what is meant by decimal fraction. We have a decimal okay, we have a definition of decimal fraction. Okay, what is meant by fraction? Decimal fraction, a fraction where the denominator and the bottom number is in power of 10, such as 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called a decimal fraction. We know that in fraction how many numbers we have? P and Q, where upside number is numerator, downside number is denominator. Okay, they are saying if the denominator contain 10, 100 or 1000, like that number in the denominator, this fraction is called as a decimal fraction. Understood? If in denominator we have 10, 100 and 1000, the fraction is called a decimal fraction. Here you can see in this your book. Okay, 5 upon 10, 68 upon 100, 285 divided by 100. So if you will find these types of fraction, if you will see these types of fraction, these are called as a decimal fraction, because in denominator we have 10, 100, okay, 1000, 10,000. If like that numbers we have, so this will be a decimal fraction. Okay, so but if we have 5 upon 20, this also will be a decimal fraction. Clear? Like that 5 upon 40, 6 upon 40. Okay, like this number also will be included as decimal fraction, where the 10 multiples will be there. Clear? Now, like that. Now, first of all, we will see this. Okay, first of all, we'll see this. This will be a 1 upon 10. That means from this 10 box, if we shade this one box, This will include out of 10. How many box it will include? This will convert in a decimal form as 0 upon 1. Clear? Understood? 0 upon, this will be 0 upon 1. This will be 0 upon 1. Now, out of 10, 7, if 7 will be shaded. So, out of 10, how many is shaded? So, we'll write 0 upon 7. This will convert 7 upon 10 will convert at 0 upon 7. Understood? Now, out of this 100 box, if you will shade 2 box. So, here it is, how many zeros are there? We have 2 zeros. So, this will complete as 0.02. Clear? This will complete as 0.20 because if it is 2 zeros downside, we need 2 zero upside. 2 digit upside. Okay? These are the decimal fraction. Okay, so now next topic is our decimal point. So what is meant by decimal point? In this video we are going to be learn about it. Okay, so here it is given as the decimal place is created for a writing of a fraction when writing numbers a dot is written as the last digit. Okay, so and this symbol dot is denoted as decimal point. Okay, so first of all we'll read the definition. A point, a small dot, use a separate the whole number part from a fraction part of the number. Example, if you see the example 36.9, so 36 will be the whole number and this 9 will be the part of the whole. Clear? Here an example is given 17.591. So this point is denoted as a decimal point. Clear? This point is called as a decimal point. And here it is ones, 7 is in ones, 1 is in tens, 5 is in tenth, this 9 will be 100 and this 1 will be 1000. Okay, we have learned this ones, tens, 100, 1000. We have learned in the previous videos also. Okay. Now, first of all, we'll learn how we can convert it. Okay, so first of all, we'll take an example. Okay, so if we take an example like if we will take an example 3 upon 10 and we want to convert this into decimal form. How we can convert? Now how many zeros are there? We have 0, 1, 0. Okay, so, but how many digits are there? 2 digits. Okay, so first of all we'll write 3. No, okay, so 3 will write, and how many zeros are there? We have 1 0. So after 1 digit, means after 3 you will create a point and in front you will write 0. Understood? Now for example, if you want to convert 23 upon 10, how many zeros are there? 1 0. How many digits are there upside? 2 digits. So first of all we'll write that number. Now how many zeros are there? 0, 1 0. So after 1 digit you will create a point. Understood? Now if you will 23, if it is there, if it is 100 downside, and you want to convert this into decimal form. How you can convert? You can convert by, you will write first of all 23 upside, and how many zeros are there? 2 0. Means after 2 digit you will put a point. 1 2. After 1 2 you will put a point and here you will write 0. This you can easily convert this into decimal fraction. Okay, now first of all we'll talk about mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. What is meant by mixed fraction? If the number is like that, if it is given 2 3 upon 10. If the number is given as 2 and 3 upon 10, this is one of the example of mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Understood? Now, how we can convert this into decimal form, we're going to be learn. Okay, so now this 2 and 3 upon 10, what does that mean? That means 2 plus 3 upon 10. Understood? 2 plus 3 upon 10. Now we know this, how we can convert this into decimal form. Yes, we know this 2 plus it will become 3 upon 10 will become 0.3. We have learned here how we can convert 3 upon 2. Okay, so first of all, when you will add this, what you will get? 2.3. Understood? Now we'll take an example from your exercise. Now write the following mixed fraction into decimal form and read them. Okay, so first of all, first example is given 3 upon 9 upon 10. 3, 9 upon 10. This example you have to convert into decimal. How you can convert? 3 plus 9 upon 10. Now 9 upon 10, how you can convert? This 9 upon 10 you can convert. How many zeros are there? 1 0. So after one digit you will put a point and you will write a 0. Okay, so this 9 upon 1, this will be convert as 0.9. So this will be 3.9. Understood? Now the second example you will write. Second example we have 1 upon 4 upon 10. Okay, how we can, now this will directly you can write 1 plus 4 upon 10. The 4 upon 10 is convert as 1 plus 0.4. So if we add this, you will get 1.4. Okay, so third example is here 5 upon 3 upon 10. So our next example is 5 and 3 upon 10. So this will become 5 plus 3 upon 10. 3 upon 10 you can convert plus as 0.3. So this will become 5.3. Understood? Okay, so this practice set 36 you have completed. Okay.